We living life like a video, where the sun is always out and you never get old, and the champagne's always cold and the music's always good.